This is a video demonstration of STARTS, a tool for performing static regression test selection. Regression testing is an important part of software development. The idea is that when a developer makes changes to the code, tests have to be rerun to ensure that these code changes did not break existing functionality. For example, we have a code base consisting of classes A through F and a test suite consisting of tests T1 through T4. When the developer makes a change to class C, all tests have to be rerun to ensure that these code changes made did not cause any of these tests to fail. The problem is that regression testing can be very slow when there are many tests to rerun after every change. Regression test selection aims to speed up regression testing by rerunning only the tests that are affected by code changes. So in our example from before, if we knew the dependencies between these classes and tests, then when the change is made to C, we can see that from these dependency edges that only classes A and B are affected, and tests T1 and T2 are affected, so only these two tests need to be rerun when C changes. STARTS is our tool for performing test selection. It performs test selection in the same way we saw earlier, and it determines dependencies through static analysis. STARTS is also a Maven plugin, meaning it can be included in any Maven project, and is available on GitHub. To use STARTS, we can either clone the source code from GitHub and then build it locally, or since STARTS is on Maven Central, we can simply add these lines to the POM.xml of our project. To demonstrate STARTS, I will be using OpenMRS Core, which is an open source medical record system. First, we're going to open the POM.xml, and we're going to be modifying the plugin section to include the STARTS plugin. Once we've included it, we can then run maven starts, which since we had run it before, it will run all the tests while computing dependencies statically between types. Skipping ahead to the end, we see that this entire run took over 5 minutes, and in the process, we've run all the tests, which are many tests within OpenMRS Core. Now let's make a change to OpenMRS Core. Here is a sample change from the history of OpenMRS Core, and we see that in this change, developers are changing upgrade_util.java, and all they're doing is changing these strings. So we're going to make a similar change here to upgrade_utils.java, in which case we change this string to something else. Now let's run maven starts. And now with only one change, STARTS will find and select to run only the tests that are affected by that change. And now we see at the end, STARTS only took 48 seconds to run with just that change. And in fact, the only test that was run using STARTS was the test class upgrade_util test. Thank you for watching this video. Again, STARTS is available on GitHub at this link.